What's up guys, my name is Cindy. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and thank you so much for liking my vlogs that much that you want to come back. Today is a beautiful Thursday morning. It's beautiful because you know why? We are going on a road trip. Woo, woo, woo. We are going on a road trip to Naivasha. I'm taking you guys with me. I just want to leave Nairobi kidogo, just for some fun kidogo. Let's get on the road, shall we? Let's go!
She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I get smoked already so hard in my blunt is. I see guys' pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. No crib, told her come through, it's time to break it in. 32 like my pants size, cause the niggas try breaking it. No condo, say your name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had the poppers from the recreate the feeling.
After stopping by at Java Express to pick breakfast, the next stop was at the viewpoint to view the Great Rift Valley. My goodness, the views were beautiful, the hills were gorgeous, the air was fresh. Oh my goodness, I don't think I can put into words how gorgeous this place looks.
She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt.
I'ma take a bougie ass to Rodeo and then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She pissed me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about another in front of Nella as a home. Hit it in the shot, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing mix, I made her tell me what she want. She on a power trip again. I know pussy pride got me buying shit again. Friends ain't jacking me.
In the city, remember you used to drive a Yukon. I pick up whenever you call. In the parking lot in Tucson. Are you with me? In the phantom with the roof gone. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. I can help you get a move on. I keep on, I know. You look.
Finally, we arrived in Naivasha and we drove all the way to Olkaria Spa to experience the geothermal spa. And honestly, the experience was a 10 out of 10. The customer service was very friendly, and what I can say is do some research before you go there, so that you know what to expect and you also know what is expected of you as the customer. Not that anything bad happened, I'm just saying we went there blindly with no research of the prices and everything else. So what I recommend is just do some research, know the prices, know the rules when you get there, and everything that's needed to do when you go there.
Just wanna be the one to give you what you want. I could put you in it, you should run. Right around town with your hair done. I know you like it when I tell you what you want. Give you back what you do, what you know.
out of the spa, we happened to see the sun set, and I couldn't help but stop and watch it set. It was such a beautiful view along with the hills. The view was so gorgeous, and as we were watching the sun set, we happened to see the zebras that you can see here. Yeah, here they are. We happened to see plenty of more animals other than the zebras as we were going out, but honestly it was so beautiful. I mean, look at that.
I should be downtown whipping on the way to you. You got something that belongs to me. Your body language says it all. Despite the things you said to me. Who is it that's got you all gassed up? Changing your opinion on me. I was only gone for the last few months, but you don't have the time to wait on me. I tried with you. It's more to life than sleeping in and getting high with you. I had to let go of us. Show myself what I could do. And that just
This is day 2 and the last day in Naivasha. Please carry your sunscreen. I left mine at home this day. We were going to the beach this day. Honestly, I don't remember the name of the beach, but we were going for a boat ride, and the good thing about this place was we went on a weekday, so there were not that many people around. And I would recommend, whenever you're trying to experience new places, you try and find the best time when there's not that many people around, so that you can just have a less crowded place when you're experiencing something new. So yes, the beach was beautiful. We saw hippos, we saw zebras, we saw so many animals that you can see, that you're going to see on this video. And I just had a great time here. I just sat and just kept my phone away half the time, other than when I was vlogging. I kept my phone away and just allowed myself to be in the moment and get to experience this. So yes, this was truly amazing for me.
show myself what I could do. And that And now you're trying to make me feel away on purpose. Now you're throwing it back in my face on purpose. Now you're talking down on my name on purpose. Yeah, and you don't feel no way. You think I deserve it?
Skin on skin, no separation, ain't no competition, nah, nah, nah. On everything, it's automatic, going zero to a high, nah, nah. Right, and wishing the wheels will fall off. Time is ticking, it's taking you too long. Right before I decide to go. And like you hurt me, only sum it up if you deserve me, yeah. Pull up and hurt me, push the stars. And like you hurt me, only sum it up if you deserve me, yeah. Pull up and hurt me, push the stars. Pushing on my buttons and no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we come to get destination. Gas me up, give me motivation. Now pushing on my buttons and no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we come to get destination. Gas me up, give me motivation. Now come give me life and I'll change yours. Who needs signs? I say for it on the high when we love it. Hold me, love me, hold me. You hurt me, only sum it up if you deserve me, yeah. Pull up and hurt me, push the stars. Like you hurt me, only sum it up if you deserve me, yeah. Pull up and hurt me, push the stars. Pushing on my buttons and no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we come to get destination. Gas me up, give me motivation. Now pushing on my buttons and no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we come to the truth beneath your lies. True love never has too high. Love never has too high. Trade your broken wings for mine. Trade your broken wings for mine. I've seen your scars and kissed your crying. Your scars and kissed your crying. Many people that I know, they just trying to touch you. Kiss up and rub up and fill up. Kiss up and rub up and fill up on you. Give you some time to prove that I can trust you. Again, I'm gonna kiss up and rub up and fill up. Kiss up and rub up and fill up on you all night. Again, I'm gonna kiss up and rub up and fill up.